Hi, this is me. I got 2 minutes, so I'll make it a short. There's my boyfriend, and this is the vehicle. This is the outside. Well, the outside. I'm trying to see if I can get the snow. Oh shoot, I can't see what I'm looking at. Anyways, there's snow everywhere. Well, you can kind of see out the back window. It's too foggy. Anyways, I gotta go. This is a check-in video, and I got really cold with my work gloves. So we're safe. It's icy. Hardly anyone's parked anywhere, and there's about 6, 7, 8 inches of snow, but it's not supposed to snow again. Maybe on Friday, but I don't think it's gonna accumulate. So this was our winter wonderland. Peace.